everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So the question which we'll talk about today is known as printKPC. So first let us understand the question and then we'll head over to the solution. If you remember, we have all seen the old keypad phones of Nokia, right? So it looked something like this. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 0. And beneath all these numbers, we had certain strings. So for example, for one I had ABC, then DEF, GHI, JKL, MNO, PQ, RNS, then TU, VWX, and Y and Z. And for 0, we had certain symbols. So what we are given is that now we have a certain string of numbers which we are pressing on the keypad. Okay, so we have 3, 7 and 9, let's suppose. So for these 3 numbers in that order only, that is first 3, then 7, then 9, what are all the possible combinations of the strings which will be printed? Okay, this is what we have to show. So if I take 3, 7 and 9, 3, 7 and 9, from here we can see we have G, H, I, T, U, V and, okay, not V, we have Y and Z. Okay, so how many possible combinations will we have? 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. We don't have to print the count, we will print the combinations which we'll receive. So what will be the combinations? See, G into T into Y, then G, T, Z, H, T, Y, H, T, Z, I, T, Y, I, T, Z, G, U, Y, G, U, Z, H, U, Y, H, U, Z, I, U, Y, and I, U, Z. These are all the possible combinations and these we will print. So let's see how we will do this using recursion. So we have 3, 7, 9. First number we will take will be 3 only. And for 3, what are the possibilities? G, H and I. And what we will have remaining will be 79, 79, 79. And the string which we've now obtained will be G over here, H from here and I from here. Right? Then we will take 7. For 3 we are done now. For 7 we will take. So for 7 we have 2 possibilities. T and U, T and U and T and U. So we will have 9 remaining now. 9 and 9. And a string which we have obtained will be GT, GU, HT, HU, IT and IU. Done. Then we have, we will take this here. Okay. Then we have 9. For 9 we have Y and Z, Y and Z, Y and Z. 1 second. I did some mistake. Over here I have Y and Z, Y and Z, Y and Z and Y and Z. Okay. So what will be the final strings which we will have? GTY, GTZ, HGUY, GUZ, HTY, HTZ, HUY, HUZ, ITY, ITZ, IUY and IUZ. Count how many of these are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have 12 as we counted, right? So this is what you have to do in the question. This is how it will work. Now we will do the question and understand how we will do it. See, we discussed about get subsequence. We have also discussed get KPC, so you know the question, but I have repeated it. And we have also discussed about print subsequence, the previous question. Difference is that in get subsequence and get KPC, we were taking an array list, right? And we were storing all the answers in the array list and then printing it. When we are directly printing, like the question which we did for print subsequence, we are not storing the answers anywhere. Whenever we'll come across the element, we will print the combination. Okay, so this is the difference. We are directly printing instead of storing them somewhere. So we will work with 3, 7 and 9 only. Okay, so let's see. Over here I have, I'll check the font size. Okay, we will take it at 16. Now let's work. Okay, so we have been given the snippet already. We'll work with it. The first thing which we have to do is see. We have for each number certain strings assigned, right? For 0 I have this, for 1 I have ABC, for 2 I have DEF. So I need something to be able to get this as my reference, right? So how will I do that? I create a list. Okay, so I have, let's call it words. In this I'll store something like this. Then ABC, we have DEF, then GHI, then we have JKL, then MNO, then PQRS, then TU, then VWX, and then Y and Z. So how is it stored? See, this is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is how we are working with it. Okay. Now, the first thing I need to do is that the string which has been given to me, right? The string of numbers which has been given to me. Let's say I am working with 379. First thing I need to get 3, right? I need to work with 3 now. So what I'll do is, in a variable char, I will get this element, that is from the question string, the 0th element I want. So here I'll get 3. Now for 3 I have G, H and I. The first thing which I'm working with is G, right? So that is my code which I'm working for, and then I have to work for all of these also. So if I'm getting G, H and I from this words array, so this is my code, right? Over here I'll take code, and from code, how will I get it? From the words array, I will retrieve the string which is present at char position. But now what the problem will be, see, I have words array. I am saying retrieve the char position from it. The value of char is a string. It's a character. Over here 379 is a string, right? So if I retrieve 3 from it, it will be a character. So I have a character over here. I am telling this to retrieve, I am telling code to retrieve from words the value present at the character 3 position. Okay. So for example, if I am saying that I want to retrieve from character 7 position, the ASCII I will get now, because it is a character, not an integer. So ASCII for 7 is 55. So instead of retrieving the value which is present at the 7th position, it will retrieve the value which is present at the 55th position, which is not even available for us, right? So that will create a problem. So for that, what I need to do is that from this, I need to subtract the ASCII value of 0. See, if from 3 integer value 3, I subtract 0, I'll get 3 only, right? Similarly, from character value 3, if I subtract character value 0, I will get 3 only, but in the form of integer. Okay, so over here I have 55. From 55, if I will subtract from 55, okay, sorry, we have 55 for 7. So for 7, if I'll subtract 0, and I have 7 over here. So from 55, if I'll subtract 48, 48 is the ASCII for 0. What will I get? 7 only. Similarly, if I work with 3, its ASCII is 51. I subtract 0, I get 3 over here as integer. So 51 minus 48 will get me 3. Okay, so this is how I'm working. How will I do it? In Python, I'll just rub it off. It's getting very messy. Okay, now we'll work. So in Python, we have a function which is known as ORD. Okay, and using this function, I can get my ASCII value. So what I did is, I got the ASCII value of character and I got the ASCII value of 0. Okay, and I'll subtract them and I'll get the integer. Okay, so I want character value 0. Okay, so now we'll work with this. What did this get me? Now over here I have the value which is present at the third position of words list, that is G, H and I. Now for G, H and I need to traverse, right? I have G, H and I. So I need to traverse in such a manner that I'll get for G, then for H, and then I'll work for I, right? So what I'm doing is that I want to take a loop. Now I have for loop. Okay, wrong place. Over here, now I have a for loop and I will work in what range? See, I'll start from 0 and I want to go till the length of this string. That is, for in the case of GHI, I want the loop to run 3 times, right? So how I will do it is that it will start from 0 and it will go to length of 4. Obviously, it will not include 3. We know that. So over here, length of code is 3. We are starting from 0. 3 is exclusive. That means it will work for 0, 1 and 2. That is 3 times. Right? So this is how it will work. Now, this function, this loop will run. So for this loop, what I'll do is, I'll call the function. How will the question change? First thing, the question which we need to first ask ourselves is, how will the question change? So I work with 3, 7 and 9. I have done all the work which was present at 3. So 3 was this position of my string. 7 was first position. And then I had second position. We have something known as slicing. Okay. So if I want that this part of the string should now be excluded, we've already worked with it. I only want to work with this part, the remaining part of the string. So I'm starting from what position? First position, right? So over here, from question string, I will start from first position and I want the rest of the string. So I will not give it an ending position. See how slicing works. Over here, if I say from this, let's add a few numbers, 8, 5 and 3. I want this part to be available to me. How will I slice it? From the question string, I want to start from the second position and I want to go till the fourth position. That means fifth is exclusive, right? So we'll write 5 over here because fifth will be exclusive. Anything before that will be taken. Similarly, if I want the entire string after third position, right? So third, fourth, fifth, I want all. So I take over here question, then 3, And over here, I do not need to give any ending position. And similarly, if I want to start from the starting only, and I want to go till the 4th position, I will not give anything over here. Put a colon, and over here I'll give my ending position 5. Why 5? Again, 5 will not be included. So it is an exclusive position. So we will get all the elements till 4th position. So this is what I did over here, right? We were working with 379. I wanted this to be excluded. I wanted the string from 1st position till the last position, right? I want it from 0, 1, 2, from 1st position to last position. So this is what I did over here. That's how question string changed. And in the answer, which I am maintaining as ASF, I will add, what do I need to add? Think. See, we had GHI, right? So first thing which I add is G, right? So what will I add? From code, I will add the ith position. As simple as that. I got G, then I will increase, it will add H, then I will increase, it will add I. This is how it will work, right? So now we are going to first run this program and then we'll do a dry run for you to understand it better. Okay. So over here, let's run this. Okay, so we have an error over here. Let's see what's the error. Okay, we have out of range error. Let's see how we have out of range. Okay, see, the mistake which we made was that we did not present the base case, right? That is why it is giving us an error. What will be the base case? Simple. If we get that the length of the question array becomes 0, what will we do? We will simply print our answer and go to the next line. Right? And then we will return. This is what we need to do. Now let's try to run this. Okay. So we have invalid syntax. Okay, we did not put equal to over here. Now let's try. Correct. So it is accepted. Now we're going to submit this. And we got the correct answer. We are going to do a dry run of this. Okay. So we have the code over here. Let's take this over here. And we will bring 379 here. I don't need this. I'll get rid of it. Okay. So first thing which we are doing is that we need 3. Right? For 3, I got its code, which was G, H, and I. These are the possible codes, right? So I stored GHI over here. Then what am I doing? I stored GHI in code. Then I am working along the length of code only. So I started with G. Question now became 7, 9. And in the answer, I added G, right? Then it will call the function again for 7, 9, right? So I'll complete this and then we'll do a dry run, okay, using Euler's. So we have over here GHI, then working again, we have for 7, 2, I have TU, TU, and U. So here I'll get 9, 9, 9, 9. I'll just complete this and then we'll work. Okay, so this is what we're going to work with. So we started with 3. For 3, I took the first position using this loop. So I went for G. Then for G, when I called the position, I went for 7. And for 7, I went for T and U. So first thing which we'll do is for T. Then in T, I got 9 as the remaining question. For 9, I have Y and Z. So I went for Y. Now see, I reached 9. So for 9, it will complete the loop. So it first gave me GTY, printed it directly instead of storing it. Then I got 9 again. So I will complete its loop. It runs 2 times. So I will get GTZ and it will be printed, right? Then I go down. The loop for 9 is complete now. So what I have done is, over here we went for this part, right? Completed it. I have printed this. Then I went down, got 9 again, printed GTZ. Then again I went down. Now what I received? 7. So for 7 I have to go for U now. Go up. Again you get 9. This is fresh. So again it will work. For Y it went. It will print GUY down. We got 9 again. So for 9 I went again. For Z I printed it. Then I went down. So it is completing the loops, right? Now for 7 I could only work 2 times, right? Its loop has been completed. So I'll go down. Now see, for 3 I had to work 3 times. I've only worked 1 time. So I went for H now for the second time now. Then again I got 7. Go up. Got 9. Go up. For 9 it will print and then it will come down. Again it gets 9 only, so it will complete its loop. It will print and then it will go down. Now I got 7 again. Then again 9. Again work for 9. Print, go down. So I printed these two and I come down. See, the loop for 7 is again completed. 2 times I've done it. The loop for this string has only worked, that is for 3, it has only worked 2 times. I still need to work another time. So I go up again, right? For 3, I will work 3 times, right? For 7, I will only work 2 times. For 9, I will only work 2 times. This is what we are doing. I hope you are understanding. Again, we got 7. Go up. Got 9. Come here. Print. We got 9 again. Again, go for its loop. Print. And we go down. Now I come across 7. 7 loop. For loop 7, the loop has only run 1 time. I have to go for the second time also. Again, I got 9. Print, go down. For 7, we have also completed the loop 2 times. So again, we'll go down. And we see that now for 3 also, I've completed the loop 3 times and our entire tree is now done. So these 12 will be printed as the answer. That is what we did in the question. I hope you understood the question, which was get print KPC. So I hope you understood the question as well as the solution. Thank you for watching the video. We will see each other in the next video. Till then, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.